Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the volume of certain clips in a project in SHOTCUT. So the first thing you want to do is find your clip. So we have a clip of me playing Minecraft and the song Dreams by Joakim Karud, and if I play it, it's evident that it's too loud and will probably burst your eardrums. So what you want to do is click on the selected clip. Right now it has red border, which means it's selected. Then you're going to head up here to filters, or you can press up here. You're going to press the plus button, audio, and you're going to look for gain/volume. After you click on it, you'll go to this screen where you can adjust the level of the sound. So if I wanted to mute it, I'd move it all the way down, and then if I play here, you can just hear my background noise, which we will adjust later. So we want to have it to a reasonable measure. We just have to toy around with this for a little bit. I'll guess maybe here's a good spot, and let's try it out. Much more manageable. Next, we want to change the one for our other clip, which I have background noise in, assuming this is going to be a montage type video. Press the plus again, go into audio, or you can search it up, scroll down, gain/volume, and we want to mute this all the way so we will have no background noise. And if we play this out, perfect. Now we have our sound at a reasonable level and the background noise is eliminated. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more tutorials on shotcut